Hello guys, we are here in Roda Sharon. Ayan, so after Kiparsaba. So as you can see guys, a tall building. We are now in a 10th floor. As you can see, a good sceneries. And there is a Arab place. As you can see, this is Arab place. Yeah. So very nice place. As you can see in the down. This is Kikar. Ayan, stoplight. This is old house, as you can see, and this the yellow one. The yellow one, this is old house. Ayan, old building, I mean. But this one, the bigger one, the tall one, this is new building here in Israel. As you can see, this old building is 35 years. I think so. Before they changed the new one. Very tall building. Very nice. So that's all guys. This is Roda Sharon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. Bye.